Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your profile visibility using private mode controls. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the platform where you want to verify your profile visibility. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, find the settings option, typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the settings option to open the settings menu. Look for the privacy or profile visibility section within the settings. Select the privacy settings to check your current visibility status. Locate the option for private mode controls. Toggle the private mode setting to enable it if it's not already activated. Take note of the specific privacy settings related to your profile visibility. After adjusting your settings, log out of your account. Open a new incognito or private browsing window in your web browser. Navigate back to the platform without logging in. Enter your profile name or URL in the search bar. Check to see what information appears about your profile. Confirm if the visibility settings have taken effect as intended. If your profile is still visible, return to the privacy settings. Make further adjustments to your private mode controls as necessary. Once satisfied, log back into your account to finalize any additional changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current.
If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.